Banahene Tutorial Collections welcomes you to another Microsoft Word tutorials. Microsoft Word is a word processing application that is used for creating, editing, formatting, and also printing out a created Word document. Now, as a Word user or a Microsoft Word user, anytime you have a content or you have any text or any information that you want to create as a Word document using a word processing application, then you should have a word processor such as Microsoft Word. This is a widely used software that is used by business companies, institutions, schools, and other sectors, and it is widely used for creating our Word document. Now, on your computer system, how can you get access to Microsoft Word and create your Word document? This is what we are going to learn in this particular video. Now, this is my desktop background and I want to get access to Microsoft Word and create my Word document. And on this interface, you can see that I have this Word icon. I created this as a shortcut icon so that I can have easy access to this program. So when you have an icon such as Microsoft Word on your desktop, you can right click and then you are going to choose new. And when you do so, you are going to have the interface of this special software. If not so, you move to the start button, and then in this start menu, we are going to use this scroll bar and scroll to find Word. And you can see that I have Word displayed in this option. You also have another option to use the search box on the Windows taskbar and search for Word. And you are going to have the best match in this search window, and you can have a once click on it. When you move to the right side of this search window, you also have this open command, and when you have a click on this opens Microsoft Word. So let's click on this option, and this opens Microsoft Word, and this is the interface, and currently this is restored. When I click on the maximize button, this is going to maximize this window, and then in this interface we can choose blank document. This moves us to the front stage view of Microsoft Word, and when you move to the title bar, we have document 1, and we also have Word, which is the application, and this is the default name given to this Word document. You can easily change this by saving it. And since this is a new document, you can hold Ctrl+S on the keyboard. This gets you access to the Save As interface, and as you can see, the Save As command is selected. You have the option to choose a location. Sometimes you have the frequent locations in this pane. If you don't see these frequent locations here, then you can choose this PC or browse. And this is going to give you the Save As dialog box, and you have the option to change the file name and also choose the Save As type. Currently we have doc1, and I'm going to change this option, and after giving the file name to this, you make sure that the Save As type is Word document, and to do so, you click on this option and choose Word document. Then the last option is to choose a location in the navigation pane, and I'm going to select desktop. Then you choose save. Now back to the front stage view of Microsoft Word. When you move to the title bar, we have this name given to our document, and now this is an existing document, and we can key in any information that we want into this particular document. So this is how to create a new document as a Word user. The next method you can use to create a document is to click on File. Then we have this Home command selected, and in this interface we can choose blank document, and this is also going to create a new document, and the title bar signifies that this is a new document. The file name is document 2. So anytime you create a document, you have the document and there is a attached number to differentiate between the different kinds of documents you have created which are not saved. So this is not saved, so this is the document name or the default name given to this document. Another way to create a new document is to click on File, then you choose New, and then in this interface you can choose Blank Document. This also creates a new document. You can also use Ctrl+N on the keyboard and you are going to have a new document created. As you can see, this is document 4. We can also move to the top left corner and we have this toolbar known as Quick Access Toolbar. When you click on the drop down arrow, we have these options available and we can click on New. And when you click on New, this adds the new command to the Quick Access Toolbar. And when there's a click on this command, this also creates a new Word document and we have this as document 5. So these are some of the methods you can use to create a new document using Microsoft Word. Now I'm going to minimize all these windows, and on my desktop background we can also create a new Word document. And to do this, you right click on the desktop, you choose New, then we have Microsoft Word document. This is going to give you this document icon and you have this default name given to this document. You can change the name based on your requirement. Then you hit the enter key. You can also click on any empty area or space of your desktop, and now we have this document created. And anytime you open this icon, this is not going to assist you to save this document once again because this becomes an existing document. So these are some of the methods you can use as a Word user to improve the way you open Microsoft Word and create your Word document. And I hope this video is going to be of helpful. I suggest you give this video a like, you comment, and also you subscribe, as well as you share this video to other colleagues to have this experience whenever they want to create a Word document.